have as it's going from 2 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 20?
3? No.
Times 3.
Add by.
It's like this.
By 3? Okay, so then, what did I do with the pen?
By 3.
So, if you guys were to do this addition, like it's not consistent, right? So then when n is 1, a1 is 2. When n is 2, hold on, let me make sure I don't mess up.
Like, it's honestly worth it. Like,
I know the original.
Is that right? Yeah. All right, whoops, sorry. So what I see is, what do you guys see? I see something.
Oh yeah, 16 total.
Oh, they all added to 20 at the end.
Yeah, but from term to term, like look at the n value and then look at that corresponding value of the term. So like the 1 and the 2, the 2 and the 6, the 3 and the 12, the 4 and the 20. Sometimes if you write it like this, it kind of shows itself a little better.
Oh, you 5, 4, 3, 2. Or, yeah.
Like 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 3 times 4.
4 times 5.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
why am I up right now? That's a secret I'll never tell. Girl, we don't know this even mean girls.
Right, that's what you're saying, Isaiah? All right, so now here's the problem. You're like, all right, so then that means the next term, well, before we do that, that means the next term, if you were to guess it,
6 out of 5. 30.
so it would be 30. All right, so now if you're to anticipate the next term, I have, okay, for students to do like, hey, give me the first 6 terms, I can get like 100% of the students to do it, as long as your calculator and you're pushing the right buttons. Once you get to predict the next number, maybe 10 or 15% of students might drop off, because now you have to see the pattern. But when it becomes, now write the rule, that's when a good percentage of students will drop out, and they're like, I don't know, I can say it in words, I can kind of write it, but to do the AN explicit form is the explicit form. That's a whole nother challenge. Okay, you know the N, so what's in parentheses, that's my N variable, right? Okay, so far I know that it's like 2N, 3N, 4N, right? So far I know I have something and I have an N here, right? What's happening with that front number in regards to the N value? So what I mean by that is, yeah, like see how it's 1, but I multiplied by 2. See how it's the second term, but it's 3.
Yeah.
It's the third term, but it's 4. Fourth term, but it's a 5th. So it's almost like it's that. Or you could write, it's tomato, tomato. Doesn't matter which one comes first. No, it's whatever you prefer. And so that's the explicit form. And so you can give it a go. Plug in the 1. 1 times 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, that's 2. Plug in the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And so it works.
Yes.
And so that's your explicit form.
Okay.
So you can write this or this. So this is your sorry. Explicit form or the rule to the nth term. the more you do, the better you are at predicting them. If you don't do a lot of them, you're a rest too.
Because 3 is change. And then 2 plus 1. Yeah.
You need to go to.
I might be wrong.
Well, ask her.
Wait, what?
Oh, no, wait, no. It's 2 times.
I'm just so
2 plus.
Get racist.
Okay, I'm gonna hit save, so it's gonna revert back.
I know.
Yeah, I can hit.
Yes.
Everybody good?